any minute now. Goto's over there. Yeah, what's over there? If you can't see. It's Tokyo. Here again. So far, things are. Here we go. Okay, so like our flight doesn't leave until like tomorrow night. So yeah, it's gonna take a while. It's like months, I guess. Like there go there, dude. Who's in there? Okay, taking off.
I'm gonna drop your phone now.
Alright. Yeah, last time we went to South Korea. Usually. Every other airline is Japan.
Okay, it's over here.
Alright. Hey, this is 힘들다. Vending machines in Japan. There's the famous 𝕸𝕚𝕡𝕝𝕒𝕟𝕑-1000. Like the last time it. What is it, Canada? Just free normal. Hey, what's going on? I think there's like this airport has like a big shitty elevator for like around. Wait, I can't over there, right? I can't. So you can't over push down. Oh, look at that airline. It's coming down over there. So yeah, we're in Japan, we're going that way, so I guess that's I think that's like the landing point, something. We'll go around a bit. So dude, again. Oh, there's more airlines. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's open over there. But there's one simple issue that may contribute into this problem thingy. It's that planes are going on the other side. Okay, so the famous A350 is over there. Spanish one. There's Hawaiian, Finnair, and Air Canada. It's like lots of people here. So that's why I took the empty spot of all. Oh, there's a plane going over there. How come one way is always like go that side, like near the airport? Like, how can they do that? There's a plane going that way. There's so many one ways I can't even count which ones they are. All I know is that it's only until the planes go nearby. Anytime sooner, I think a plane might. Okay, either the plane takes off over there, like, or it. Why's the plane so? How is that plane like faster? But when you're inside, it goes like more faster than you can ever imagine. That plane just left. Last time I remember we took Japan Airlines. Like, I think, yeah, it was like 1 year ago. It was that plane. There's another plane apparently going that way. There's so many one ways because that one way is going that way, and that's where planes are landing. But there's another one way that those planes come from and land over here. But there's one simple issue. What planes, if they go this way, that's where they will take off through the ocean. Where I landed is somewhere over there on the United. So like there's more planes coming in Tokyo. Managed to know. It was a 14-hour flight, it wasn't that bad. I couldn't even record it. Here's what happened. I was in premium economy. A 14-hour basic flight. It was good and stuff. I kept sleeping a lot of times because of jet lag. And now I'm here doing stuff that I do. A 12-hour layover isn't that bad. As long as you have planes nearby. Look at that, it's the A350, 900. Oh my goodness. Even the 1000s over there. Yep, that's the A350. Now, normally planes would come here at this time. Because somehow, in many different days. Okay, last time I took Asiana Airlines from South Korea to here. We landed somewhere daily over here, no, there. Alright, our plane's going this way. Wonder if I can relocate them. Like, Terminal 1's over, okay. Terminal 1, 2 is over there. This is Terminal 3. And Terminal 3 is home of every single airline. The only airlines that are operating there is just like Japan Airlines. I think only. If it's domestic, I think it goes over there. International, right here. Alright, okay, there's more planes coming that way. So, planes somehow, like, how do you even do this? It's like a deep down magnet. Plane's still there, even the... Okay, either the plane's taking off or... Okay. Two planes just took... Okay, I'll tell you what happened. There's a one-way over there which can take from Terminal 3 and it went that way. But then there's another plane that went that way. As you can see right there. it took off there. There's Air Canada at once and every time. What is that? Huh? Oh, it's Asiana Airlines. Okay, so if Asiana Airlines were to come that way, then a taxiway would come from there to here, then here to here. Alright, the one way. Oh, still more planes. Like how? Alright, well, Air Canada's taking off of there. This airline just leave it. Oh my Jesus. Jet brake, man. Jet brake. It's always every time. Okay, so that's where the planes are taking off from. And if we look over there, tiny skies, and off it goes. Oh, this is... Alright. This video is gonna end if Air Canada, like, takes off. Or basically it's just the factory rebels is like going up. This is Japan Airlines over here. There's China Eastern. China Eastern just left in Tokyo. There's another plane going that way. But where did Asiana Airlines go? We're never gonna know. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a Star Wars airline over there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh, it's right there. The Star Wars is over there. Okay, there's another Japan Airlines over there. Oh, it's split. Oh, there it is. Okay, and these, oh my goodness. There goes A&A. I think an alternate name for A&A is All National Airlines. I don't know if that counts. Airlines going over here, and I think that's all for it. Yeah, this is definitely gonna be what it feels like to be in a specific airline, which can do that. Well, I'm not sure if Air Canada is going out now. But that's kind of. Oh, I think Air Canada went to a gate already. I think that's why. Well, that's all. See you, Japan Airlines.